Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already opened and visible. But once you have yours open and also visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with scroll and share options, and after a moment it just disappears. Once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. And you can see it right here, screenshot, and that's the screenshot that I have captured. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.